everyone. Now since we have learned how to make almost all the shapes, let us learn how to make some unique designs. So after this tutorial you'll be able to make something like this. And this is the code you need to make that. Isn't that code very simple? Okay, so how did we draw a circle? We took that you have to repeat 360 times and move one step and turn 1 degree. So, and when we put a turn of 45 degrees, a sprite turns 45 degrees, it waits for 0.1 second and it repeats it 8 times. Why specifically did I take 8 times? Because it is turning 45 degrees. And so if we divide 360 degrees by 45 degrees, the answer is 8, and so we have taken 8 times. So when space will be pressed, it will go to the center, then pointing in the direction it will start drawing. So first it will make a circle, then like it's making a circle, then it will turn 45 degrees, then it will wait for 0.1 seconds and it will make another circle. This algorithm is going to be repeated 8 times until we get our final design. So I think you've got the idea of how we have made the design. Like we had to repeat 8 times because 360 divided by 45 is 8. Let's see how is this design being made, the procedure. Going to be complete very soon. And 3, 2, 1, voila! It's done. This is how you can make a circular design with 8 circle and 45 degree and 1 degree turns. And this is how you can make a circular design. Thank you. Come back tomorrow. We are going to learn another shape. And the shape is a surprise for you. Bye bye.